Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Walk down any grocery store breakfast aisle anywhere in the world and you'll spot it, the iconic jar with a white lid and friendly label. Inside, Nutella, a chocolate hazelnut spread that's become a global sensation. It's more than a topping, it's a cultural icon, a comfort food, and a key ingredient in countless desserts. But Nutella's story isn't about marketing or corporate strategy. It began in a small Italian town, right after World War II, born from scarcity and ingenuity. Today, Nutella is sold in over 160 countries, with annual production rivaling the weight of the Empire State Building. There's even a World Nutella Day. People don't just eat Nutella, they celebrate it. But before it was a global icon, it was a clever solution to a big problem. The story of Nutella is a masterclass in entrepreneurship, turning limitations into strengths. Sometimes all you need is a good idea, a little ingenuity, and a whole lot of hazelnuts. Let's rewind to post-war Italy, where this delicious journey begins. Grab a spoon. This is a story you won't want to miss. It's the 1940s. Italy is recovering from war, and everything is rationed, especially cocoa. For pastry chef Pietro Ferrero in Piedmont, this was a challenge. But Piedmont had hazelnuts, plentiful, local, and cheap. Pietro's idea stretched scarce cocoa with hazelnuts and sugar to create a sweet paste. After much experimenting, he created Pasta Gianduja, a solid loaf of chocolate hazelnut paste sliced and served on bread. Affordable and delicious, it was an instant hit with local families. Pietro wasn't just selling a treat, he was selling happiness in tough times. He turned scarcity into innovation, using what he had to create something new. This principle, turning limitations into strengths, became the foundation of the Ferrero Empire. Out of bitter times, a sweet solution was born. The humble hazelnut became the star of a new kind of confection. Pietro's creation was more than a product. It was a symbol of hope. And it was just the beginning. Gianduja was a hit, but the story evolved with Pietro's son, Michel Ferrero. One hot summer, the loaves melted. Customers loved the creamy texture. Michel saw opportunity. Why not make a spreadable version? He reformulated the recipe, creating Supercrema in 1951, a creamy, jarred spread. Supercrema was a bigger success, delighting families across Italy. Michel dreamed bigger, to take the product global. It needed a new name. He combined nut and the Italian Ella to create Nutella in 1964. The recipe was perfected, the iconic jar launched, and Nutella became an international sensation. From a solid loaf to a creamy spread, the Ferrero family adapted and listened to their customers. Nutella's transformation marked its leap from local treat to global icon. The journey was about constant innovation and understanding what people wanted. The Ferrero family's ability to adapt turned a simple idea into a worldwide phenomenon. The creamy dream was now ready for the world. Pietro Ferrero's invention wasn't entirely new. Mixing chocolate and hazelnuts dates back to early 1800s Piedmont. During Napoleon's blockade, cocoa was scarce, so Turin chocolatiers mixed hazelnuts with chocolate, creating Gianduja. Gianduja became a regional specialty, beloved for its unique flavor. Pietro revived and reinvented this tradition during World War II, making it accessible to everyone. Nutella's roots run deep in Italian soil, built on a legacy of resourcefulness. The Ferrero family took a local tradition and reimagined it for the modern world. Nutella is the delicious descendant of a centuries-old solution to scarcity. Today, Nutella is a global powerhouse, built on one clever idea in a small Italian town. Ferrero is now the world's largest hazelnut consumer, fueling an entire industry. Nutella's story is a lesson in creativity, adaptation, and authenticity. Pietro Ferrero turned scarcity into innovation, and his family kept evolving the product. Nutella's success is rooted in real tradition and Italian craftsmanship. It's a story of family, resilience, and the joy of sharing good food. The Ferrero family built more than a company, they built a legacy. From post-war loaf to global icon, Nutella proves that humble beginnings can lead to worldwide impact. With creativity and vision, even a simple nut can change the world. If you enjoyed this story, like and subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge for more brand journeys.